In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a student ID card in Microsoft Word. Creating a student ID card in Microsoft Word is a practical way to design simple identification cards for schools, training programs, or organizations. With the built-in tools in Microsoft Word, you can easily combine text, shapes, and images to produce a clean and professional-looking ID card that can be printed and used right away. To get started, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document opens, it is helpful to prepare the layout so it fits the size of an ID card. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon and adjust the page orientation or margins if needed to give yourself enough space to design the card comfortably. Next, go to the Insert tab and select the Shapes option. From the list of shapes, choose a rectangle. Click and drag your mouse on the page to draw the shape that will act as the base of the ID card. You can resize the rectangle by dragging its corners until it resembles the size of a typical identification card. This shape will serve as the background or border for your design. After creating the base shape, you can customize its appearance by selecting it and using the formatting tools that appear on the ribbon. You can change the fill color, adjust the outline, or apply simple design effects to match the style you want for the ID card. Once the card background is ready, it's time to add the student photo. Go back to the Insert tab and select Pictures, then choose the image file from your computer. After inserting the picture, resize and position it within the rectangle so it fits neatly on one side of the card. Now you can add the student information. Go back to the Insert tab again and select Text Box. Draw a text box next to the photo and begin typing the details you want to include. Typical information may include the student's name, identification number, grade level, or department. You can adjust the font style, size, and alignment to make the text clear and easy to read. You may also add the name of the school or organization at the top of the card using another text box or decorative text style. Position the elements carefully so the design looks balanced and organized. After everything is arranged, review the layout to ensure the text and photo are properly aligned inside the card. When you are satisfied with the design, you can print the document on cardstock or thick paper for a more durable result. Once printed, simply cut around the card to separate it from the page. Creating a student ID card in Microsoft Word is a quick and effective way to design simple identification cards without needing special design software. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.